Hello Libra, welcome to Conscious Living, your weekly horoscope. This week, you're the one with all the answers. Kicking off on Sunday, February 25th, Mars in Aquarius affects your creativity zone, aligning with Saturn in Pisces. Libra, you may feel a bit cautious about taking risks, leading to a more subdued approach to creativity. Instead of diving into a major project, focus on organizing your supplies, cleaning your workspace, or preparing finished pieces for display. Accomplishing these smaller tasks can be surprisingly satisfying. As Tuesday, February 27th approaches, Mars in Aquarius squares Jupiter in Taurus, influencing your area of shared resources. It's a favorable time to seek financing, possibly requiring assertive action with banks or financial institutions. While it might involve applying to multiple places, you could secure the funding you need at a favorable interest rate. If you found this reading insightful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, sharing it with your friends, and subscribing to our channel for more weekly horoscopes tailored to your zodiac sign. Embrace the opportunities that come your way and remember to stay true to yourself. Wishing you a week filled with love, light, and positive energy. Until next time, take care.